Good evening and welcome to Sober TV. It's here, I think it's almost a week and it's here. No cranny back up. But I'm winning, I must say, I had a lot of course. Minja YouTube. It's never true that Sober Major, Minja YouTube. No cranny back up. One, there are some structural changes. I'm adapting to those changes. And roughly by next week, the NBBR toja. So me damu I must say. I decided to take advantage of the AFCON. The team no break. So I was taking advantage of the AFCON now. By those structural changes now. Send you because we have break to do certain things. So and then I'm capitalizing on. Can I give consistency? Yes, I'll be consistent. We've decided say even if say day ni and the ever cost never one for now, I dear one crave. Yeah, one video a day we'll be doing it. So the moment you watch this video, let's keep it at the back of your mind. Say banner my banner maybe twice no break again. Now the coin na 1 week member those who watch your passports there, let me breaky. Some of the Kotoko news, or I've seen my own brothers on YouTube, maybe family videos from our show on Oyopa and Promise, on Imoro story, on Kotoko stories. Yes, and okay, do baby, well, I went to me post to back on baby, no be alpha, so no words. And then I have the tendency of forgetting some of the stories because a dozen was a buono and a go. Enti me startia na me kwa me kone sa me sa nipa na sem na me chiremu ya na makofo force. So who should I start with? Let me start with Sheriiff Mohammed. Yeah. No, mama nye tewtew no. I'll come to Sheriiff. Mama nye tewtew. Sheriiff story me anam kofa bai. Mama nye tewtew. We all know that Ogumaji coach of the month. Mama fa tewtew ni hiti up kakra. Ogumaji coach of the month. Congratulations to Coach Prosper Nete Ogum. The 352 no I yield the results. I'm a coach, but me really coach of the month. Because there's something called the coach of the month case. At I see what Europe. Ghana had them in share them. But at I see coach beat magic coach of the month. Not all of a sudden, no. Born na the team ne bono na akofom to the lowest point. Bon na results start going bad for them. So young Bompire said Bibisan to Coach Ogum. The second thing still on Coach Ogum near say I'm told it's about I think even a ne. Yeah, and I think about China and then the crowd was at the training grounds. I stand to be corrected. But nipa no ma story nka say men can tell me na say by Friday there Coach Ogum should be at the training house of Asante Kotoko and also a day free about me dem as to ene optimi ko about me dem say by Friday. So even ne optimi call crowd will not be surprised, but what I know is that by Friday he's supposed to be at the training house of Asante Kotoko. Yeah, that is it. Mukwala player of the month. Frederick Asarije, goalkeeper of the month. Yemba and no money be says, Yemba and started training and day 4. Because I'm starting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and day 4 of Asante Kotoko training grounds. In our absence, all those stories have been there. Now, Kotoko training grounds, the players me you can't want some kind in Emmanuel Corte. Ene Abrante fan Abdul Fattah Safi story no de God being so good mitimi no rane ya rane story na to confirmed we run nyina mu ani Blake signing ni nyina me de that time na me nyanko break me ni nyina de mam Fattah Safi and Emmanuel Corte aso ene Kotoko ye train no mo join Kotoko team na ma training no etimi course so, and these are all nyoma SC during the week. Yebonito ni ako. Still, there was one story and now me can't say me yamamu. but me antimi anya mamo. There was one story I'm a kind say me yamam. That story no had to do with Asante Kotoko players na contract termination home come Kotoko unregistered mo but no mo did that Kotoko payroll so Clinton Opoku Rashid Nortey na wenya Abrante Fernandez to say Poku wenya Solomon Safutela Kotoko is still paying their salaries. January we I can't say whether they will be paid or not. But I'm TSN na benefone is almost kwan on the players ni be to officially show letters them our players we will be a stories nation free mu ami yaba we are na the fresh na mama show letters them more I know say one player Clinton Opoku there was a attempt say Kotoko person in a Cologne. But later, Clinton Opoku said, clubs now Kotoko person in the corner. He's not ready. And in this case, I'm talking about Okowu United, RTU. Yes, I think there's one other club. I got a company for cars on the neck up. Wanjan to Manko. So one of the end of the common so koso. Afcon internet under the radar. Solomon Safutela. And not to say Poku, what I know is and not to say Poku wanted a contract termination. But I know that Solomon Safutela there. Na eyako yese unya kobejini sikenyina efi Asante Kotoko. Rashid Nortey na onoso edin eka. Now last time I checked, na Rashid Nortey agent was demanding full payment of a salary. Just like that of Solomon Safutela. Now she not a moon demand say Sikani no omuntua mo enya de skano omobajibi na omejebi enti eno so ye de konkon as to say he will be recalled back into the team. I say me maka aka but it's a story and society me back. So what I can say is that the mimi say these were players that from the coach, he wanted the club to terminate their contract. So now our coach some terminate Safutela and us to say Clinton Opoku and Rashid not the contract. No more because they were not part of his plans. Now on the coach the list by administrators na termination. So from what I know, when they met these players, Commandant Timi and CP, ama termination and Tinyabaso. And that is why they were still being paid by Asante Kotoko. And from what I know, he has not returned. And it will take a lot of convincing to get the head coach to approve the return of Rashid Nortey. Because window they are closing. They are still Kotoko players, but they were not registered. That is what I know. Say I register more. Intima baby, you should expect more update. We know me pone home, but my bano. Mr. Sebeda so tell somebody that he's back. My banner there, we bring them pa. True, but then me far away story and my any details. What I know is that these players were not registered by Asante Kotoko. So for them to come back and play for Kotoko is a different story altogether. What is on the table is how our club debate me out finding ways more terminate our players we will contract one by one. And here they are. And as to say Poku, what I know is that on one casa person or no Kotoko contract no or mutual. In the coming days, we mean I and Sema Sheshawa may Baby do more support much chamber. No my young Juma pa Ediamam. Moving forward, some no as a BSK Pumio. But let me do Sheriiff Mohammed. Sheriiff Mohammed tell a brother that Selbert says Sheriiff Mohammed is out of the season. On Kotoko this season. We are hoping for a miracle. But what the experts are telling us that he's out of the season. 10 years. Sheriiff Mohammed no. Story me yeah. I was very careful with choosing my words. Oko Tamale Enoku Pry. He had an accident. On the Kumasi last week. I'm a medical team national. on Sheriiff nankasa na dadeɛ wɔ ne name kakra. So now it's some taking it out. Now what I know is that the medical team wanted a break, a long break. Now come nanka heli. But when they realized that break for the first one and second round misano, decided to unfambo. Na season be ya nan koma ye ho adwuma. Good. And our brand and could cry. I've been told that they say POP and the action Abante we prakakra. Yes, like choose my words carefully, we prakakra. And the accident in the sea, we drew Kumas, and that was around last week. And I'm yan say he's out of the season. The advance will be drew Kumase, and I'm yan season won't be mobile. Even at the time of what Kamali, about maybe breaking story, I was told say a bad thing, say season or be. So Sheriiff there. Now it becomes difficult for Asante Kotoko to depend on Sheriiff Mohammed midfielder. We're free moko. Like we're free season moko. The medical team are working on him. So maybe be the 9 who be maybe on baby. So when he recovers, he's fully fit in T. There also may on the 9 who be on more year. But he's out of the season. And this means that Justice Blue will move from the right centre back position. If Ogum is going for a 4 back, they move on the right centre back position to come and play a defensive midfield position. Or opportunity for Andrew Sintimen and Michael J. Jamna together with Rocky Jamna, some battle for positions. These are the options. Don't worry, so these are the options. Pitamino Aqua. And then Shadrach Ado, one more national under 20 camp. Let's wish them all the best and congratulations to them. I was sad, Now, my Sheriiff, let me do Imoro before I forget anything. Imoro, there may be catch them. Say sources. Be Imoro catch them. Say, I regret it. I will never be a Imoro story, Kotoko wanted to start the process. Makan so many times. At the point, no more free Imoro, no munyano. Those are past tense. Because minya, who I would cheer me our shaman. So when the opportunity to offer me, abroach in Ghana. In him, so I do the quabrochery. Now the player realized that Nakwen to Seminole ain't me called the Royal Panel. So he wanted to come to Kotoko. He made calls. For him to come. On Tuesday, I'm going specific because Tuesday, I remember I was even buying something. And corner buy say documents are Asante Kotoko here from Imoro or the Amakotoko. So I can confirm it to you that the process to register Imoro Ibrahim has started. Young Kotoko management members now, so the person will come be by so the process I could commit to register Imoro has started. And here 1, 2. A brand now amount for can Imoro and medicals. No, I kept on telling you guys about Tamale. At that time, no negotiations as to score budget terms and conditions. Now on June 2. Because now could send the contract a money pen, but the response never by. So on go through with his lawyers. So the second thing I'm doing apart from registration here say personal terms. Oh, see your personal terms are my Obed, henshia meba. I'll go ahead, my other assurance and all. And your personal terms are not dealing with specifics. For instance, Abdul Fattah Shafi before coming to Kotoko. Now Wakache could company for Kotoko. But bedroom Ghana no me specifics. In terms of Siko Beje, so now talks to know what Imoro will take. Financial agreement I started doing the pompons also. So the two things, getting him to register for Kotoko by the FA is ongoing, and getting the player to also sign the contract is ongoing. The TMA Imoro to Kotoko. Means my catcher say a 60% close. Nyana Bekatero said the deal is off. miana me catch you say boy na regret it say no pick a company for course and miana me catch you na say 60% on documents now has been exchanged ti no na Kotoko company for be use I say on betimi I register Imoro Ibrahim fache me na minimpa say dwumadie no menim na edi mama mon say si from kakra but ye ni pay edu baby a na other things to me drag him. From now, I no pay we are, but the mum. The blasters again, as all time I said, now Kotoko cry in training. Because when you train, I mean, be count because the me video in any part 4,000, 3,000 share. That is a huge number. So I won't lie to you. But I hold my story and I want to give it to you as it is for you to get a better understanding. And then, of course, I Kotoko any players car. Wura sansem no tell guys some na doso but e ba na me de mawo nye no kre say Asante Kotoko the players neka from what I was told from somebody who names a story me ba be ye no o ka kire me say bibia yi so no 1 month to program so bed 1 month to so 2 months once 2 months so o say bibia yi din Kotoko ba ko bo Karela in the MTN FA Cup and take it from me Kotoko wa ko she Karela e watamale. Take it from me, Kotoko Karela, Tamale. Kotoko is on the verge of winning double. Fatu with him, Zafiwe. Kotoko target in your GFA Cup, Ag League, and they're on the verge of winning it. Transfer window, make can send the Brichremo. You can doubt that you see the HRL. Can Gordon Busan the HRL. Catch it say Embasso, or Samates. Peggy Paba, catch and say, Omun Tom player, because almost pay league. So tell everybody that your most trusted YouTuber when it comes to Asante Kotoko news. All factors considered is back and is back and back for good. Young family see her na afini aba mche sheshe kakra. Ya kwe ni mdia kenyi na baba. Na men kama baba.